one of my favorite cups. It's like a head. It looks so freaking cute, but I know it looks a bit creepy. Sweetest of them all. He loves pets. He loves to greet you. This is the sweet guy. Oh, you look so majestic. You look so majestic. Look at your fur. Handsome. So handsome. I'm gonna go get a shower and I'm gonna go meet my friend for lunch. Hello, cutie. I recently discovered this Malaysian local brand. It's called Smash Beauty. They're really good and they have the brow fixer too. 204, I use it as like a contour. It's a bit poof. Okay, that glided on really good. Okay, and then and then you have that. It's been raining a lot. It's supposed to be like, oh my.
Xavier.
Let's try it.
Xavier.
Tiger, a local Malaysian brand too. This one is a rosemary argan hair oil. So, very pretty. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna make rice and eggs. My fried eggs are done. Now I have to wait for the rice.
It wasn't exactly fun, but I didn't get that shit.